PDP leaders don divide over Wike choice, say na South go produce the president. Welcome country people to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification bell. E go ring as we drop update. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, the position wey the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), Mr. Nyesom Wike, and some concerned stakeholders of People's Democratic Party (PDP) say the 2027 presidential ticket make dem zone am to South. Party leaders yesterday don dey express different views over that position. The National Organizing Secretary of the PDP, Umar Bature, a former Deputy National Chairman of the party, Chief Bode George, and a member of a Board of Trustees, Mr. Jones Onyereri, yesterday they disagree over the position of the Wike-led stakeholders. Wike and a concerned stakeholders group, they meet on Monday for Abuja. They can call for the PDP 2027 presidential ticket, make the zone am to the South. They can also back the reaffirmation of Senator Samuel Anyanwu as the party national secretary. This one come as former governor of Ekiti State, Mr. Ayodele Fayose, he warned, say PDP dey risk to become political carcass if they not take urgent and drastic steps to take salvage the way the party dey go down. As they react to the meeting when they organize by Wike and the G5 governors, Mr. Onyereri, a former House of Representatives member, for one interview when he do with Vanguard newspaper, he criticized the recent National Executive Committee NEC meeting. He said e not dey properly organized. He said the issue be say NEC they not properly convene am according to Section 47, subsections 1, 2, 1, 3, and 5, or thereabout. He say he talk for there, say not only the National Secretary that get the authority to send that message on behalf of the party. The National Secretary, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, he say he not issue any notice to members about the meeting. He say he even write to confirm, say they don't cancel the meeting. So him believe say the meeting they not convene am properly. Eminent stakeholders from across the country, they don't affirm again, say Senator Anyanwu na the only elected and substantive national secretary. A communique when they issue to that effect, he say they don't emphasize, say PDP must adhere to the constitution. They go follow their own constitution when it support the principle of zoning. On the zoning of the presidential ticket to the South, Onyereri say, in that regard, he said they don't always talk, say zoning for the 2027 presidential election make in favor the South. He said they include that one for the communique when they read out on Monday. On in part, former Deputy National Chairman of the PDP, Chief Olabode George, he don't call for caution. He say family matters, they not dey discuss am for marketplace. George talk say, we get functional national executive of the party and they not dey discuss family matter for marketplace. He say they don't schedule meeting for June 30 and so make everybody quiet about the details of wetin dem wan discuss for that meeting. He say im dey happy say no be the way to run the party be this. He say otherwise dem go dey discuss their secrets with the enemy. He say this one e dey be too nasty, and im dey urge all of them make dem hold their fire and make dem wait for the next meeting. The National Organizing Secretary of the PDP, Umar Bature, he said the position of the Wike-led Concerned Stakeholders Group, he said he aligned with the party official position. Bature, for one chat when he do with Vanguard, say he no even know wetin happen for that meeting, so how he go take give reaction. He say wetin dem talk for the communique, he say e not different from wetin the party believe in. He say not think so. He say the secretaryship position e dey clear. He say some people dey deliberately mischievous. He say if not, e dey very clear the position of the law, and the party dey stand at risk if dem no follow wetin the law talk. When dem come remind am say the stakeholders dem dey claim say the last National Executive Committee meeting dem no properly convene am, Bature come talk. He say no decision when dem take during that meeting dey binding on the party. He say if na decision when e dey binding, he say then therefore be cause for alarm. He say but dem not take any decision when e dey binding. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) problem, e come be like say e don dey lead to implosion. That is to say, the house dey burst from inside. Na internal party challenge na full the People's Democratic Party. And to what end this challenge be now, nobody go fit point out. And the way the challenge dey go, na wetin go bite the party if they conduct any election, because litigation go full everywhere, since wetin the courts dem announce e dey different from wetin the party dey allow to operate. That na why some concerned members dey call for genuine reconciliation, because dem know say if dem no do am, virtually everybody go run leave PDP go join APC or the other parties, because of the fear say if dem contest election for PDP, if their opponent take dem go court, dem go lose because of the internal crisis when e dey the People's Democratic Party. But this issue of the zoning of the presidency to the south, why e come dey be like say some northern interest no want am, when e just be say na that same matter na cause the Wike crisis from the beginning. The north, dem no wan cede power to the south, and the south now dey say no, they're supposed to do their 2 terms before e return back to the north. At what point they go come to agreement say make it be like that, so that the PDP as a party go once again retain in shine? Well, time go tell. How una see this matter?